Hello guys, this is Mukesh. Today I'm going to teach you about how to create a 3D audio effect in KineMaster. It is so cool, right? But the important thing is you must need a headphone to recognize it. If you don't have a headset, just watch the audio bar. It is going from the left to right, and also I'm going to show the graph how it varies. Now I want to show you how to do like this. First I'm playing the video. Watch the audio bars carefully. Can you recognize it? I want to play the lyrics. Hope you guys understand the audio, or you just watch the audio bars like this varies from bottom to top, and another one is varies from top to bottom. Now the tutorial session. What you can do this, first choose the audio as you want from your audio library, then choose any kind of video backdrop as you want. Now I choose the plain black color backdrop as my video, and I just giving a KineMaster as a text input. Then select your audio, okay, then just click the three dot button and duplicate it, okay. Then what you can do this, just inside the audio select the reverb option and choose the spring reverb, because it creates a beautiful sound effect inside your audio. Then choose the second audio, and what you have to do is you have to adjust the volume envelope, right? First choose the first audio, choose the volume envelope, and for every 5 seconds just change the volume level. For the first starting point I have 0, and next 5 seconds I have the top, and the next 5 I have the bottom, and the next 5 likewise my audio graphs like a square wave or a triangle wave, or exactly the triangle wave. Just create a triangle wave like this. Then choose the second audio and reverse it or reciprocal the triangle wave. If the first triangle wave starting at the origin, you have to start the next triangle wave from the 200%, right? Then what you can do this, just go to the audio and click the speaker like button and select the auto volume and do like this. Move your two cursors to the right side, and for the next audio move your two cursors to the left side and just play the audio. It will create a magical 8D effect or 3D effect inside your ear. Hope that guys this video will be very much useful for you. Thanks for watching. Please follow KineMaster Facebook page.